You use the Metatrader platform. In one moment, you can see in the bottom left corner of the Metatrader platform a common error. Well, how do you fix this common error? Why do you see this error? So, you want to become a financial expert, but don't know where to start? Please visit the website forex.in.rs to learn more about Forex and trading. If you like free YouTube educational videos about trading, finance, industry strategies, Forex, stocks, commodities, then subscribe to the YouTube channel FX Igor. Then, each week, when Igor releases these YouTube trading educational videos, you will then be notified when they come out there.
Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today I will try to give you advice how to solve one very common problem. It's about MT4 common error on desktop and cell phone. So it is a very simple problem. You can have only two major problems: problem with internet connection or problem to log in into Metatrader platform because your username or password or IP server address are not correct. So let me fix this problem very easily. The first step that I always do is I check my internet connection, because this is the very simple thing. Just check, and if its interconnection is good and everything go right, we can start to check the second thing. Now we need to try to log in using Metatrader platform, and I need to put username, password and IP server again. First, you need to check your username. Username can be problem because sometimes people copy blank space or something like that and username is wrong. Try to type username. Password too, you can type and it will not be any kind of mistake then. And the biggest problem is IP server, because IP server is not offer you. It is something that you need to figure out. Sometimes you just need to check or to choose, for example, live server 1, live server 2, live server 3 or something like that. And it's easy. But if you see that you cannot log in using drop down section, then you need to put IP address alone. For this, either you can copy paste from your broker website, or you can contact support and ask. Just say, my username is this, can you please tell me the IP address? And they will give you. So this is the very simple thing. After that, you could log in into your Metatrader platform. But this is common error. Sometimes you need to understand that the problem can be that your Metatrader platform cannot get internet signal. Even you have internet very good in a computer, you can surf using Mozilla or Chrome, something like that. You need to check. Maybe some antivirus program block Metatrader. Your Metatrader need to be okay and to receive signals from your computer. You can run Metatrader as administrator to check again, are there any problem? Sometimes can be a virus. Just restart your computer, scan, remove viruses, and after that everything will be okay. So the common error problem is very easy to fix. My friend right now will summarize all these things that I just told you. So I wish you happy trading day, and please listen, summarize again. Goodbye.
How to fix the MT4 common error on desktop and cell phone. Number 1, check the internet connection. There may be a problem with your Wi-Fi or cable internet or some antivirus software. Or you may have an internet security program that's blocking the internet connection of the Metatrader program and its online server. Number 2, enter the username, password, and IP server address when you log into Metatrader. If the internet connection is fine, then the problem is most likely the login parameters. If the username and password are okay, then very often the problem is the server IP address, and your problem will be fixed. Wish you a good day.